Hello children, let us continue with the lesson Hututu, Hututu. So in the previous session, we saw the different rules to play kabaddi. Do you play kabaddi? Is there a girls kabaddi team in your school? Do you think that your grandmother played kabaddi when they were your age? Ask them. Here, they're trying to point out the gender discrimination that existed in the society earlier. Girls were not allowed to go out of their house and they were not allowed to play outdoor games. And games like kabaddi are physical games wherein you need a lot of energy. So earlier people thought girls were weak and they'll get injured fast. So they were not allowed to go out and play. But as mentioned, slowly the society is accepting that girls can also do whatever the boys can. So do girls in your area play kabaddi or any other outdoor game? If there are girls who do not play, then what are the reasons for them not playing? Discuss. Another reason is also like when you play kabaddi, the girls have to dress like boys, like you need to wear shorts and t-shirts, and that's how you play games. So even that were not acceptable. So girls were not allowed to play outdoor games earlier. There's a picture of Karnam Malleshwari. She's the first Indian woman to win a medal in Olympics. Indiyakku vendite ആദ്യത്തെ Olympic medal win ചെയ്ത ലേഡിയാണ് Karnam Malleshwari. Have you seen or read about her in the newspapers? Karnam Malleshwari is a weightlifter. She lives in Andhra Pradesh. Her father is a police constable. Malleshwari she's a weightlifting event participate ചെയ്തിട്ട് award win ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. So she started lifting weights when she was 12 years old. Now she can lift a weight of 130 kilograms. Karnam has won 29 medals in international events. Her 4 sisters also practice weightlifting. So that is about Karnam Malleshwari. Now a story of 3 sisters. Look at this photograph. Don't they look like simple grandmothers? But they are different. The picture is of 3 sisters, Jwala, Leela and Hira. They live in Mumbai. All 3 of them played kabaddi and taught the game to others. Jwala tells, when we were young, girls were not allowed to play this game. People thought that if girls played such rough games, nobody would marry them. They also said that girls had to wear boys' clothes to play kabaddi. That is why they stopped girls from playing. So you can see how they have fought against the odd or against the norm in the society, and how much difficult it would have been for them to do what they did. Yeah. The sisters were young when their father died. Their mother and mamas, that is maternal uncles, brought them up. Both uncles used to play kabaddi and kho-kho. They encouraged the 3 girls to play kabaddi. Jwala and Leela talk about their experiences. Almost 50 years ago, when we started to play kabaddi, girls never got a chance to play this game. Parents did not let them play the game, but we always felt that we should play, and my uncles and mother supported us. We 3 learned the game and some other girls also joined us. We formed a kabaddi club which is active even today. So that is their story. So remembering those days, Leela and Hira still get very excited when they talk about their matches. They tell how they won some matches which they were about to lose. This was possible because of their strong will. For any game and for to be successful, you have to be very strong-willed. നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ വിഷൻ ക്ലിയർ ആയിരിക്കണം. ആ ക്ലിയർ വിഷൻ അനുസരിച്ചിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എഫേർട്ട് ഇടണം. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വെൻ വി ബിക്കം സക്സസ്ഫുൾ. സോ that is what they are explaining, like how they have won without losing their courage. Even when they were about to lose the game, they were so strong-willed, and because of their will, how they have won the matches. During those matches, some very interesting things happened. Once they had to go to a different town for a big match. Leela tells, the match had to start at 6:30 in the evening. We went to see a movie from 3 to 6 o'clock. We thought we would be back in time for the match. As soon as the movie started, we noticed some noise and disturbance. It was created by our mama, who was looking for us in the hall with a torch. When he found us, he gave a big scolding right there in the cinema hall. So, you'll have some very unforgettable incidents in your life. See how they were at the theater to watch a movie just before the game. The sisters had to face many difficulties because of kabaddi, but that did not reduce their fun. Hira, the younger sister, became a kabaddi coach. She wishes that children like you should enjoy and play many games, especially kabaddi. So, being physically active is also very important. So, we need to play some game or the other. Have you learned any game from a coach? Which one? Do you know anyone who has learned any game from a coach? We'll discuss these answers when we have our live sessions. So now, how does a coach teach? How does a coach make a player practice? How hard do you think the players have to work? We know to be successful in any game or anything that you do, you need a lot of hard work. So coaches are people who help us, who knows the tricks and techniques of the game. So when you train yourself under a coach, he'll train you for all those, he'll train you ella techniques ella tricks they'll train you. So how does a coach make a player practice? So once he explains a technique, he ensures that you have mastered the technique, and he'll make you practice until you have mastered it. Yeah. How hard do you think the player have to work? A lot of hard work is needed for players to be successful. You might have heard about Indian badminton player PV Sindhu. When you look into paper, you will come across her stories as to how hard she had prepared for the championship that she has participated in. Recently concluded Olympics, she had won a medal. So if you can find papers from those days, you will see how much effort she had put in to win medals in the recently concluded Olympics. It's just not PV Sindhu, but all the athletes who have participated. A lot of hard work goes behind their നമ്മൾ കാണുന്നത് പോലെയല്ല, നമ്മൾ മെഡൽ വിൻ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞതിന് ശേഷം മാത്രമേ അവരുടെ സക്സസ് മാത്രമേ കാണുള്ളൂ അല്ലേ. ബട്ട് എ ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് ഹാർഡ് വർക്ക് ഗോസ്. they would have been working for years to reach where they have. Have you ever thought of making a club for your favorite game? You can give your own answers. Imagine that there are 15 children to play Coco. They must form 2 teams with equal members. Then 1 player will be left. What will you do if this happens? So we know to play games we need a referee as well. Like a person who makes sure that the game is played properly, the rules are followed. So definitely that extra person will become the referee or umpire. Like, have you ever become the extra person in the middle? Write about this. Every game has some rules. The game is played according to those rules. Let us see what happens if the rules are changed. For example, in cricket, a batsman gets out if bails fall off the stumps. Imagine if there is a rule that the entire team will be out if all the 3 stumps fall. Would it be fun? Any game when you look at, you can see that the rules keep changing. It changes according to the situation. Some 15 years back, we didn't even have T20 games in cricket. Now, as people cannot spend the whole day in a cricket team, they have found a better way to entertain people with a shorter version of the game. The rules are different for a one-day game as well as a T20 game. Play. All these things, like as time changes, rules changes, and the rules are made so that the game becomes more exciting. Try and play the game with this rule. Similarly, make some rules for other games and play. So that is about the lesson Hututu. This is about the game, the hard work that is required to play games, then the rules that we have to follow, why rules are set for a game. So then we saw the story of three sisters who have fought against different difficulties and played the game of Kabaddi. So that is about this lesson. Please watch the video, children. In case if you have any doubts, please do post it in the stream. That's all for today. Thank you and take care.